This is the Laevo Cook Mortar and Pestle Set, and it comes with the mortar and pestle, a lid, as well as a spoon too. The nice thing about this mortar and pestle set, it's double-sided. There's a deep side as well as a shallow side too. And this is perfect for grinding peppercorn, coffee beans, spices, and of course garlic too. This is such an easy to use kitchen tool. And we're gonna make some garlic paste, and let me show you how it works. A nice feature is you can use this lid to place it on top of your food after you're done. Or you can use it as a placemat so it doesn't scratch up your countertops. This is made of 100% solid stone. It's heavyweight, durable, and can last a lifetime. Another nice feature is this pestle is double-sided. This is also very easy to clean as well. You can use the shallow side for smaller ingredients like peppercorn and spices. And you can flip it over and use the deeper side for larger quantities, such as coffee beans or to make guacamole too. So today we're going to make garlic paste. The first ingredient we're going to use is salt, and that helps to break down the garlic. Plus it adds a nice flavor too. I've already cut up some garlic, and now we're going to put it in the bowl. We're going to use this pestle and mash it up. Now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. Starting to get really nice and mashed up now. Looks like it's all ready. Hey, look how nice that looks. This is great to make guacamole, curry, pastes, herbs, dressings, and so much more. Thank you, Laevo Cook, for sending this to me for evaluation purposes and for me to give my opinion. I truly love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.